Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Financeable. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up to your Bitmart account. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Firstly, make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Once you do that, just go to your default browser and search sign up Bitmart account. Once you hit search, you'll find Bitmart cryptocurrency exchange on the top of your search list. Just click here. You can see sign up here. You can click here to sign up your account. You can either create your account with your email or with your phone number, and you have to enter your password and you have to click here to certify that you are over 18 years of age. After that, you just simply have to sign up. That's how you sign up your Bitmart account. That's it for today, guys. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to give thumbs up. Comments and feedback should be appreciated. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that I can come up with new videos like this. Until then, have a great time.